Hi, my name is Meg, and I usually make soap videos for my soap channel that's called Luluti, which means flower, and I will have more next week for the big shop update. But for now, I just wanted to show a couple of things that I got this May after my first big craft show, kind of celebrate the start of my season. And I've done Hazel Village videos before. I can link them in the description, and they are on my channel where I got the dolls for myself and my daughter and other clothes. But these pieces I could not resist getting because they are exclusive just to Hazelnut members. When you buy from them more than once, you become a special group that's called Hazelnuts, and you have special perks that go along with that. And these little pieces, these cute little embroidered shoes and the little coat were just for Hazelnuts, so I couldn't resist that. And they are super pretty as well. I've wanted shoes and socks for our dolls for a while, and they always sell out. So if you don't know what they are, I will link their channel and their website and everything else, but they are a super cute handmade toy company, and they help people all over the world to make all of their handmade pieces in different countries. It helps women especially that make all these pieces by hand, including the dolls. So it's something I believe in very firmly, and they're so adorable and very highly collectible as well if you're into that. And then next up, I got some more puzzles. I love puzzles. I don't have as much time for them as I would like, but I try to always do at least one a season. I love the little puzzles that you'll see in here, and these are two of my absolute favorite artists, and that's why I love getting them from puzzledly.com. You get such a good deal on puzzles from them. They always have a sale where if you buy 3, you get a big discount. But this big puzzle and the little puzzle are from one of my favorite artists named Laura Pemberton. She does amazingly beautiful things, and I have wanted this particular puzzle for quite a long time. So I had to snag it because it was back. And then the other puzzle that you'll see that's another big puzzle is from another favorite artist named Asia Spettle. She has an Etsy shop, as well as I do believe a website too. And of course, you know, her socials, you can see all of her art. This is right here, this beautiful puzzle. They just started selling her puzzles on puzzledly.com, so I'm so excited for that. I missed out on the chance to get the first one, but this one I did not miss out on. I feel like it's the perfect one to do for August. It just looks like August on it, doesn't it? And at the end, you'll see that I actually took the plastic off, and there was some surprise gifts in there as well. Some things that I just didn't even expect there to be. So that was very exciting. And then here's the little puzzle that I mentioned. There are 100 pieces. I feel like that's the perfect puzzle to do with me and my daughter because she doesn't get too bored, and we can finish it pretty quick in about an hour or so, watch something together, have little close time to do that. And I've had quite a few little small puzzles we've put together, and pretty soon there'll be a video for that where I show us like gluing them and framing them, because I haven't done that yet and I really want to, and have them framed and I can put them up on the wall. But here's what I was talking about, the bonus pieces. You get a huge poster, and then you get this glossy, smaller print. I thought that was so nice. I didn't expect that at all. So actually filmed the opening, and then when I took the plastic off, I had to film some more because I had to show you all the rest of this. So it's so cool that it has a big poster as well. You can put that in a frame too. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the shop update for August, which will be next week on the 28th for the corn moon. Take care.